Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Technology Berhad. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a car park counter display panels where you can see this is a lots available customized stickers. So if you do want this kind of frame, you only want the details, only the counters, we also can provide it. So let's start our presentation today. The width of the display is 370mm and the height of the display is 290mm with the customized lots available sticker. So the character size is 160mm. This is the controller. Of course, the controller always come with the plus and minus and always reset. So for example, earlier stage we set to 5. So when we hold reset, that means that if the operator want to reset every day, you can do it so. So if let's say the car come in through the loop sensor, we can minus. So this is the car park availability. So 2 and 1, and the last one will be full. Last time we show 000. Of course, it depends on customer needs. If you want 00 instead of full, we also can do it. So plus back and become 1 if the car went out. So end of the day, if they want to reset, you can press and hold the reset button. You go back to 5. So if you want to set the maximum counter, what you can do is press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds. So you can go to the setting mode. So when the words shorter, you come to the setting mode. So you can plus. So for example, I'm going to set 30. So you can set 80. So 80. Once you set, press and hold, exit. So become bigger character. So you can minus from here. So this how it looks like. Minus. You want to reset to the original setting, press and hold the reset button. You can go to 80. If you like my video, help us to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.